Hello kids, welcome to my YouTube channel Aashiedu. Today I will tell you singular and plural. You know who I am? I am your teacher Aashie Singh, and today I will tell you singular and plural in German. Okay, then let's start. Then first I will write in German. In singular we will tell in German Einzahl, and in plural we will tell in German Mehrzahl. Then let's start. First I will make a one line. I cannot make a nice line because I don't have a scale. But I want to try. Then I just suppose I write here Einzahl. And there Mehrzahl. Now I wrote. Now suppose I write Taskent. First I will write in singular. Okay, I mean Einzahl. Okay, then I will write Taskent first. Now in Mehrzahl, I mean in plural is a die Kinder. Okay, then I will write here die Kinder. Look, die. Now I did Taskent and die Kinder. In Mehrzahl, die Kinder, and in singular is a Taskent. Now I will write next. I will make one line again. Suppose I write der Apfel, okay? Then I'm small, maybe der Apfel. Now in plural, I mean Mehrzahl is the Apfel. It's very hard to pronounce Asian for you, but for me it's very easily because I'm living in Germany and learning German. That's the reason for me it's easy. The Apfel. He will dot Apfel. Look, Apfel. Now in singular is the Apfel, and in plural is the Apfel. Now I will write next. Again line. Why you should do always line? I'm so tired to make a line. Then suppose I write das Frau. No, die Frau. Then suppose I write die Frau. In singular is die Frau. In Mehrzahl, I mean in plural, is a die Frauen. Frauen. In Einzahl is die Frau, and in Mehrzahl is die Frauen. Means plural and singular. Okay. Then suppose I write das Auto. Making the line. Oh, I'm very small, baby. That's like die Apfel. No, I wrote the Apfel. I write das Auto. Suppose I write das Auto. In singular, in Einzahl. Auto. Now in Mehrzahl is, in plural, is die Autos. This S. Now again line. I'm a small baby. Das das Haus. In singular, das Haus. In plural, in Mehrzahl, ist die Häuser. Look, die Häuser. Now I want to write die Maus. I don't like mouse. I'm feeling very dirty. Then after that, das Haus. Die Maus. Okay, then I will write die Maus. In Einzahl, in singular, I will write die Maus. Okay? Now in Mehrzahl, plural is die Mäuse. Haus, Maus. The Häuser, Mäuse. Is just like same. Sometimes is also same, but later is not same. But this is same. Look, die Mäuse. Look, is very same, but the starting letter is not same. Look. Now I will. This is last. Oh my god. Oh god. Seems like I write das Buch. Buch. Now in Einzahl is das Buch. Now in Mehrzahl, in plural, is die Bücher. Now I have done. Now, 1 minute. Now I will tell you in English. Das Kind means one child, and die Kinder means many kids. Children. Now, der Apfel means only one apple, and die Äpfel means many apples. And die Frau means one woman, and die Frau means the woman. And das Auto means the car, and die Autos mean many cars. And das Haus means the house. Okay, only one house. And die Häuser means many houses. Die Maus means the mouse, and die Mäuse means many mouses. Now, das Buch means one book, and die Bücher means many books. Then, thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. You can see my all videos and like. So, bye.